Good morning, candidates. Good morning. Uh, a candidate who has been selected as Punjab National Bank marketing officer has written to me stating about the formalities to be followed, and yeah, she has received the email for document verification. Such of those candidates who have been selected for Punjab National Bank specialist officer or probationary officer or clerk will kindly follow this video. Kindly follow this video. So actually, what is happening is, say, the candidate is receiving an email. Candidate is receiving an email, and that email will be like this, that yeah, yes, candidate receives the email. Before that, there is one more sheet in the website itself that tells about people who have been asked to report for um, say document verification. In this case, it is given that these marketing officers, they will have to report by, say, uh, what is the date they have given, 28th September, along with all the documents. Okay, good. Now let us see the joining formalities, and yeah, see, whatever details you want to see, you can see in this website, www.pnbindia.in. pnbindia.in, recruitments joining formalities while joining bank. If you search in the website, you will get this. And what is it you will get here? What are the formalities that are given here? Recruitment formalities. These are the things that have to be given for recruitment formalities. And here is a checklist of what are all the things you have to take them with you. First, let us go through this one. pnbindia.in, recruitment formalities. Recruitment, new pension scheme and joining formalities. Directory of medical consultants at controlling officers. Click here. If you click, you will know who are all the medical officers in the particular zonal office. For example, I am talking about Chennai. Name of the doctor is M. Ayaz Ahmad. He is staying somewhere in Anna Salai, backside of LIC. If you are going to zonal office Coimbatore, Dr. T.S. Srinivasan, Dr. T.S. Srinivasan, and likewise Ernakulam, Dr. C.X. Peter. Likewise, you please check up where you should go for medical examination. I think 67 journal officers are there. In Telangana, Hyderabad, it is Dr. N. Charan Das. Varanasi, it is Dr. A.K. Singh. So first thing you have to know is who is the doctor to whom you have to go for checking up. Not now. After the documentation verification is over, no candidate will be allowed to join the bank without completion of new pension scheme formalities. You have to complete new pension scheme formalities. Following are the list related to new pension scheme: CSRF version, NPS formalities. For that, they have given one page. It is mandatory for all the new entrants who have joined the bank, will join the bank on or after 1st April 2010 to join new pension scheme and get them registered with NSDL immediately after their joining. Employees who are not registered earlier with NSDL, this is the majority thing that will come, where you will be joining for the first job in Punjab National Bank. Kindly go through this. I am not sure. Annexure to be filled, annexure 2 to CSRM form, if prawn card is required in Hindi. What is prawn card? I don't know. PAN card I know. What is prawn card? Prawn card. Oh, permanent retirement account number card. It is a 12-digit unique identity number issued to persons who register a national pension scheme. This will be only for those people who have already served. So this will not be applicable for majority of the people. This will not be applicable for majority of the people. Yeah. So this medical is not required. I'm closing. And this prawn card we have seen, that is not required for normal people who are joining for the first time. Okay. So we were seeing NPS formalities. Here, what are the things to be done? Kindly go through this. CSRF form. But many candidates are worried about this, but don't worry. Once you go to that place, your zonal office, they will guide you fully. There will not be any problem in that regard. Then CSRF version 2, 1, 2. Here you have to fill up this National Pension System subscriber registration form. Here you have to put your passport size photograph. Indicates bank, please fill in the English block letters, KYC number, retirement advisor code. I think KYC number will be given by your bank. So you have to fill in all these particulars. Please go through what are the particulars they have given. If you have passport, you have to give, otherwise no problem. Voter ID card, if you have, you can give. Otherwise, simply PAN card and Aadhaar card or driving license, you can give. Proof of address, correspondent address, permanent address. Correspondent address you have to give in detail. Permanent address you have to give in detail. Contact details, residence में phone होगा तो phone number. Yeah. Subscriber bank details. So when you go to the Punjab National Bank, you must go with your passbook also, so that you can give all these passbook and also checkbook. Most of us will be having savings account, bank account number, bank name, branch address, PIN code, bank MICR code, IFS code. All these things you have to give. Subscribers nomination, mostly unmarried boys will give mother or father. Similarly, girls will give mother or father. I would like to subscribe to tier 2. Maybe you have to give extra amount, it seems. So you please check up what is the tier 2 and then tick it. I have no idea about it. Pension fund selection. Acha. Nowadays, whatever monies you are depositing into your provident fund, they will be investing in some other fund like LIC pension fund, SBI pension fund, UTI retirement, like that. You have to tick mark whatever is suitable. My recommendation is a LIC pension fund you tick, SBI pension fund you tick. Investment option you can give, I think This you be guided by the officer who is verifying. He will be able to tell you. Then fill it up. You have to fill up this. This is only for government subscribers, not for PNB. This is for corporate. Maybe PNB people will have to do this. So all these columns are to be filled in by you. Please know how to go. Kindly open this and go through that once before going to Punjab National Bank. Tier 2 details. In fact, today when I talk to State Bank of India for officers, I can ask them what is tier 1, tier 2 and all that. Okay, then I may be able to tell you. Then, so you should fill in the formalities regarding new pension scheme. Go through each and every annexure, what is given. Please go through. Annexure 2 may not be available for everybody. Annexure 1 also may not be there for everybody. I think mostly everybody will fill up this version 1.1. Here, this form has to be filled in if you have been working in some other company and your NPS account is to be shifted. Here they have given contact persons for queries relating to new pension scheme only. Birendra Singh Rana, Senior Manager. Contact number they have given during office hours. So this is what they have given. Now, apart from this, what we should go through is the checklist of joining. What are the things that are given? You will write you take a printout of this, write your name, category, probationary officer, specialist officer, marketing officer, then roll number the Punjab National Bank will give. Last employment with period, this may be nil for many of you. You must take all the documents, one copy, self-attested. मुंदू एक एक कॉपी लेके उसको सही करना है. मीरू सही से इसको तीसको वाली. HRMS proforma, you have to staple 3 photos, passport size photo, keep 10 photos with you. Biometric report, they will guide you about biometric report. Joining report, this also your officer will tell you. Discharge certificate for people who have been working in other companies. Salary slip for last 3 months for those people who have been working. For many people who are joining first time, this will not be applicable. Conduct and performance from previous employer. This also majority students not applicable. Then bond. See, they have enclosed a bond. That bond you have to take out. This is the bond form is here. There is an indemnity bond. This bond is to be given by you and your father or mother or brother. This is to be executed on stamp paper. What is the value they have given? I'm not sure. We have to check it up. It must be 50 rupees or 20 rupees depending on the state. Otherwise, you can call your Punjab National Bank and ask them what is the stamp duty value, non-judicial stamp paper you have to buy. So this indemnity bond is to be signed by you. You will sign here and your surety, daddy or mummy will sign here. And you must type like this. You must sign in all the pages. And that should be witnessed by 2 people. Your indemnity bond must be witnessed by 2 people. Here you are giving indemnity to Punjab National Bank. In case you resign and go before the specified period, you will give them say about 1 lakh rupees or so. Then the year, so I have told you about indemnity bond. If there is any cutting in your bond, it should be authenticated. Self-attested address, photo, signature, you have to give ID proof of surety. See, you have to give your Aadhaar card or say driving license with signature thereon, a copy of that duly signed by you. Similarly, your surety also should give. Next one, medical report, you must get it done, not now, after formalities are over. X-ray, film and radiologist report. They want you to spend more money. Yeah. Then what is this attestation form? Is there a form known as attestation form? Yes. This is a form known as attestation form. This form is to be filled in by you. Simple particulars. That is, whatever you are given in the application, same thing you will be giving here. You have to, here also you have to affix with passport size photograph. So attestation form, biodata form. So this is the biodata form. Fill in this form with your own handwriting. Reporting for joining as marketing officer. Please fill it up. Marital status, unmarried. Number of dependent children, only for married people. Number of other dependents and their relationships. Here kindly remember to give the name of your mummy, daddy if they are dependent on you. Mummy, daddy. At least daddy, if he is employed, you can give mummy, because this will be helpful for you for your medical expenses. So you have to fill it up. Bob. So all the candidates, I suggest, before going to the declaration for that, what is the document verification, kindly go through each and every form given here. Next is asset and liability. This is the assets and liability. This is the assets and liability. I don't think many of you will be having own property in your name. If it is there, you can give the details of your immovable property. Only 1% of the candidates may have immovable property in their name. Otherwise, all others, the property will be in the name of their parents only. If you have some land, if you have some buildings, otherwise put big nil. Annual statement of assets, insurance, total amount, annual insurance premium, name of insurance company. If any insurance has been taken, you give, otherwise give nil. If you have some stocks and shares, give, otherwise give nil. If you have some deposits, give it. Jewelry, if you have something in your name, in your possession, you give it. Other costly items, 25,000 per piece. Mostly in your name, nothing will be there, everything will be your daddy's. Annual statement of assets, debts, if you have some liabilities, if you have taken bank loan, you must mention it because that is in your name. Okay. Then 3 character certificates you have to take. You can take from, say, gazetted officer or bank manager or bank officer or any respectable person in your locality, or if you have the last character certificate given by the college, you can take that also. Then fidelity and secrecy. Fidelity and secrecy, there is a form. Fidelity and secrecy form means what? While working in bank, we are not supposed to discuss about the customers with others. Anybody. We should not talk about it to anybody else. So where is that fidelity? I am not seeing that form. Maybe they will give you there. You get it filled in. That you will simply say, I will not talk about my customer or my staff, etc. to others. Sub secrecy maintain karega. Self-attested PAN card. You have to take your PAN card, take a copy of it, attest by you. Self-address, attested address proof. I don't know why they ask a PAN card if there is address. Maybe Aadhaar card or driving license card. Then driving license, the what is that? Learning driving license will not be allowed. Self-attested Aadhaar card दे दीजिए. OBC creamy layer undertaking, there is a format fill up. Caste certificate issued by competent authority. Having stamp, reference number, date, they want rubber stamp. Candidate and father's name matching, caste name matching with central list. Disability certificate, this is for people who are physically handicapped or visually impaired. Then AICTE letter if not from university for engineering graduates, graduation, post-graduation mark sheet, degree certificate. 12th, if you are postgraduate, you have to give postgraduate mark sheet, postgraduate degree. So, and also graduation mark sheet, graduation degree. 12th mark sheet, 12th pass certificate, 10th mark sheet, 10th pass certificate. Email ID form, there is a form here. Email ID form. That email account request, you may have to give that. Gratuity form. Gratuity form is here. I didn't see it. If there is a form, that also you fill it up. NPS form, we have already filled up that. Yeah. Caste certificate to be given by you. Attestation form, all columns should be filled in. Photo should be attested by gazetted officer. Acha, there is a form known as attestation form. This is nothing but application. Here, this should be attested by gazetted officer. Remember, gazetted officer. Photo should be attested by gazetted officer. A reference form. Is there a form known as a reference form? Is there a form, reference form they have given? Maybe they will give it there, I don't know. EWS, SC, ST, everything. Reference form is here. Oh, gratuity form is also there. Gratuity, you have to give nomination favor of your mother or father. Unmarried people. Married people, wife. See this form F. What is this? Gratuity nomination form, reference form. Acha, reference form means you will give the name of 2 reference people. Those who are staying nearby your house, whom you can contact. Those who will talk good about you. Ye abbai, manchi abbayu. Inda payyan romba nalla payyan. Ye ladka bahut acha ladka hai. ये लड़की बहुत अच्छा लड़की है. This boy is a very good boy. This girl is a nice girl. They must tell like that. They must stay nearby you. Give their address, because Punjab National Bank, after you are joining the bank, will send the letter to these references people. They have to give a good reference about you, and then only confirmation will happen. Sign of checking officer, this is not for you. So these are the formalities to be filled in. So kindly go through each and every document given here. What is the checklist? Kindly go through. Check up whether you are having all the documents ready. Have you taken Xerox copy? Everything ready. Have you got them signed by you? Everything, you must keep them ready with you. Take 10 photographs, passport size photographs. Yeah. So these are the points I wanted to tell you regarding Punjab National Bank Specialist Officer, Clerks joining. Here cashier agreement to be given by those who are joining as clerks. Agreement of service to be given by everybody. Ex-serviceman undertaking to be given by ex-serviceman. So these are the formalities. I hope you would have understood clearly. If you have not understood, you can always send email to my email ID samba samba dot s7 samba dot s7 samba dot s7 samba, I will write in small letters, samba dot s7 at gmail.com, samba.s7 at gmail.com. Yeah, please write. And those who want some or you can also, you have know my Telegram group. Telegram ID is this. You can become a member of Telegram group and ask for doubts also. I will give my cell number, but I request you not to talk without sufficient doubts. You will write, first you will send email. If you are not getting any reply by 3 days, you can use this cell phone number for you. You can use this cell phone number for you. Okay. Where is that? I wrote all that. Where is it gone? Yeah, it's here. I'm making it big. This is what it is. Please note it, and you can send first email. Wait for 3 days. And before that, you had become Telegram member, means you can send message through. Of course, normally I don't read individual telegrams. I go through only the page. But then, even then, I may omit. Please send email. Even if then you are not getting any reply, you send a SMS to me. There is no WhatsApp number. This is not. This is there. WhatsApp number is there. Okay, you send WhatsApp number. If you give, I may not read it. Send us message. Sir, I have a doubt like this. I have sent email. I have not received reply. Please clarify. And even after not getting a reply from my call from me, then you can call me. Otherwise, don't call every now and then. Okay. Thank you so much. Best